Just got over here in the parking lot getting ready to do a walk around on a 1984 Olds Cutlass. This is the Hurst edition. It's got the 5.0 under the hood. Pretty good running and driving car. We're in the middle of a test drive. Pulled over here to the parking lot. Definitely check out the test drive video, pointing out any kind of flaws running and driving wise. In this one, I'm going to look for chips, scratches, dents, anything you may need to know. That way you're happy when you make it down here to Tennessee to pick one up. Went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood, make it easier. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory. Other than that, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. We're gonna get started up here in the front. So you can see it's not perfect. It's got some scratches, some chips. See the front end there has got a few little scratches, and the paint's cracked around that front bumper. It's pretty much all the way around the front like that. All the little chips and stuff on the edges. Coming down the side of the car, you got a few little chips here and there. The stripes are the worst part where they're coming off. They're older. The tires are in great shape on this. The wheels look pretty good. Got a chip here by your antenna. See all the flaking. Looking at the bottoms of the doors, the paint's a little thick right here. Get a chip here. Running down this side. Get a chip as you get out of the car on the edge. And the back end looks pretty good. Same thing with the stripes all the way around the bumpers. Looks like you got a little dent in your trim there. Front windshield looks pretty good. Roof looks pretty good. Not really seeing a whole lot up there, just some water. Where it's been raining off and on all day. Scratches in the paint and the edges. Weather stripping around the trunk looks pretty good. It rained all weekend and the trunk looks fairly dry. Let's go pull this up. Not too bad. Alright, let's go ahead and shut this down. This side of the wing here has got some paint flaws in it for sure. Heading back down this side, we'll do the same thing. Some issues here where they've touched up the paint. A few little chips here and there, bottom of the door. Got some bubbles and scratches and chips right along this edge here. Some rust popping up here. All right, made it all the way around this car. Let's go ahead and check the interior out and get her started. Door panel's in great shape. Nice and clean. The weather stripping around it is soft. Feels pretty good. Checking the bottoms of the doors here. You hear the alarm system that's on it, making a clicking noise. Carpet's in good shape, power seats. Back seat's in good shape as well. Headliner's sagging in the front and the back. It's got lightning rods for the shifter. Hurst shifter, showing 60,000 miles on the dash. And all the gauges work on this one. Work pretty well. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Try the wipers. They're working. Blower motor does work. Radio coming on. Can't get the compressor to kick on this one. It's all hooked up. It's there. Did y'all place your bets on the horn? Horn works good. Motor's pretty quiet. Doesn't sound too bad at all. Coming on down with the hood, we'll check it out. It shuts pretty nice. Get around these edges. Chip there by the antenna. I'm getting ready to give you some undercarriage shots. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Just a chip there on the edge of the hood. It looked like something up here in the front too. I thought I seen it from the inside. All right, we're gonna start up front, go all the way around, and we'll conclude this video and get back to the test drive. Definitely watch that. Let's look under this. Guys, go to maplemotors.com. We have financing, shipping information, all of our inventory, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And if you're here on YouTube all the time, check out some of our test drive videos, our walk around videos. And of course we do complete car walk arounds like this for every car on the lot. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. We sell cars all over the country. And that's pretty much daily. 50 cars come through the lot every month. So we'll always have something new. I appreciate y'all watching. You want to see that test drive, just wait for the last 30 seconds of this one and the link will pop up. All right, guys, let's get it. Y'all have a good one.